Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about the e.l.f. Dirty Pillows Lip Kit. So after months and months of this restocking at e.l.f., I finally was able to get my hands on it, and this is what it looks like. And I feel like it was worth the wait. This would make such a nice gift for a makeup lover for Christmas because the packaging is beautiful, the presentation is beautiful. It's $25, which is a reasonable price for what you're getting, because look how beautiful this is. So you get a lipstick, a lip gloss, a lip liner, and this is a mirror. As a matter of fact, why don't I open up that little pouch that it comes in, and how perfect will this be to keep in my purse? Oh, peel off the plastic on the back. And on the back of it, it says, "Lips are the mirror to your soul, e.l.f." And, oh, there's a piece of plastic on the other side, too. Okay. And then it just says e.l.f. and Jennifer Coolidge at the top. But yeah, this is going to be, it's very heavy, though. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep that in my purse because where it has its own little pouch, you wouldn't have to worry about it getting scratched up in your bag. Okay, so we are going to start with the Cream Glide Lip Liner in Fill Frontal is the name of it. And I know that one of you were saying that you really wanted this lip liner, and unfortunately it is not sold separately. However, I went through my collection and looked at everything I had, and there is a swatch of it right there. Okay, so this is definitely a nude lip liner. And the Hard Candy lip liner, Instapout lip liner in the shade First Move. I'm going to swatch that next to this. What do you think? Dupe? Yes, I found a dupe. So if you just want the lip liner, because it's not sold separately yet, maybe someday e.l.f. will make it available individually. But if you want a dupe for this e.l.f. lip liner, Hard Candy in First Move, and Hard Candy is sold at Walmart. But yeah, to me, that's exactly the same color. And I did promise I was going to find a dupe, and I did. Okay, so let's line my lips with the lip liner. And this is the same formula as what they just released a full line of. And then this is the lipstick, which is called Dirty Pillows. And this is the O-Face Satin Lipstick formula. So that's the color of the lipstick, because the lipstick, the lip liner, and the lip gloss are all different shades. So the lip liner is like a true nude. The lipstick is like a peachy nude, I would say. And I already had e.l.f. clear lip oil on, but I put that on before I started doing my makeup, so it did have time to sink in. But I figured it would be appropriate if I used that to moisturize my lips, since I knew I was going to be testing this out. So that's the lipstick. It's like a peachy nude. And then for the lip gloss, they went with a light pink. And this does not have a name on it, so it just says in real small print, it says lip plumping gloss. Oh, I didn't realize that it, oh yeah. Okay, so the name of it is Swollen, which makes sense for a lip plumping gloss. But it's a light pink and it looks like it's got a bit of shimmer in it. So that's kind of an interesting choice of color to put over a peachy nude lipstick, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks. So in theory, it doesn't sound like it would go together, but actually I think that's pretty. And as far as the lip plumping property, it's not like burning or painful or anything like that. You can barely feel anything. Well, at least at the moment. Sometimes those things creep up on you. So I thought that I should try to incorporate a lot of e.l.f. products into my makeup look today. So I have on the Carnival Candy eyeshadow palette. And then what I did was I took some of my mixing medium that I made with an angled liner brush and took the blue shade in that palette and lined my eyes top and bottom with that blue shade. And then I used a Burgundy liner by L'Oreal on my waterline. But this was the first time that I had used the mixing medium with just a regular eyeshadow because I had been using pigments before. And it worked out fine. And for other e.l.f. products on my face today, I have on the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour in Fair/Light, and I have on the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Blush Wand in Rosé You Slay. And then, any other products that I have on will be listed in the description box as always. But yeah, for $25 for 3 products, a mirror, the box that it comes in, and I would imagine that you could repurpose this for something, but it does say on the inside cover, I didn't think this would look so good, Jennifer Coolidge. This is like a satiny material that's supposed to be like a silk pillowcase, I guess. But yeah, you could repurpose this box for something, I suppose, if you wanted to, but because I don't think most people would want to keep all the pieces actually in this, they would want to incorporate it into their collection. But then again, if you keep it in the box, you could put it on display and it would look pretty. Oh, now I'm feeling the tingling from the lip gloss. Yeah, sometimes you get a delayed reaction with that. Yeah, now I feel it. Ooh, and it is plumping my lips a little bit. They do look a little bit bigger. So this creeps up on you. But yeah, it's funny because these colors together, as a matter of fact, let me swatch the lipstick next to the lip liner just so you can see the colors, and I'll put the gloss right next to the lipstick. Because yeah, this was an interesting color combo. So that's the lip liner, that's the lipstick, and that's the lip gloss. So yeah, I think they do look good together. Interesting. But yeah, I would say this is well worth $25, and they did not sell out this time. So if you still want to get it and you weren't sure, then it is still available and would make a really nice gift for a makeup lover, I think, for Christmas. All right, so that's it, you guys. I would say thumbs up on the e.l.f. Dirty Pillows lip kit. It was worth the wait. I do really like it. Um, yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.